What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. So, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to Mrbeast YouTube channel. According to 괘ᴏᴱᴱ, Mrbeast YouTube have uploaded 703 video. He currently has 54.6 million subscribers. After reaching 50 million subscribers, he has been awarded with a custom-made play button from YouTube. Currently, he has a total view of 9,281,539,831. That is insane. He is a YouTuber from US. And his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since February 20, 2012. The grade he got is A+. And his 괘ᴏᴱᴱ ranking is 42nd. Subscriber ranking is 20th. Video view rank is 201st. He ranked 9 in US. And entertainment rank is 6th. Next, the average on daily subs for Mrbeast YouTube is around 63.3k. And daily view around 9,346,144. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views he got is 9,350,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Mrbeast will be $37,400. Monthly income is $1,122,000. And yearly income will get $13,464,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $13,464,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $7,405,200. And that is how much Mrbeast earned from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.